Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be arranging my hot chocolate area, and I'm going to show you what I purchased from IKEA. We're going to go ahead and try to set those up. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to redo this area really quick, but here's my little Keurig. And my husband said you had to run several cups of water, I guess, through it before you can use it. And then down here, I'm going to reorganize this because we put that creamer, the Ninja creamer. And then I have all of my acai stuff and my fiber brownies in here. But I'm going to get some baskets and stuff to organize this better. But yeah, I'm going to arrange my candy canes and stuff. Okay, so here's that carpet. And it's not going to be as long as this one, as I mentioned. But I wanted to replace this one because see how it's getting a little dingy. And I like the length of it for sure. Like this one's going to be, I don't know. I almost tend to just want to keep it because it covers a lot of ground. This one doesn't match as much. So I don't know. Maybe I could put this one down the hallway if I don't put it there. Let me see how it would look. Okay, so I put it here. I don't know. Carpet on top of carpet. I don't know. Is that weird? But this needs to like... Look at my baby. Hi, baby. She's still mad because we left her. Are you mad because we left you, my love? Huh? So... Anyway, I don't know. I'm just going to have to decide. I do like it a lot. I just don't know if here, you know, eventually I want hardwood floors, but man, that's so expensive. And right now it's just not probably a time that we could do that. Maybe if we saved our money instead of doing these shopping sprees, we might be able to save our money to do wooden floors. But I'm just going to let it sit here for now and see how I like it. It's not in the middle. Oh my goodness. I decided to put this carpet in here, and we took the carpet that was in here and put it in the man cave. But I am going to also redo this area here. I've already put like my little hot chocolate in this. Candy canes here, so I want these accessible to me, so when I do my Keurig. So I'm just going to take everything off and then start over and see kind of where we end up. This is what it's looking like now. Let me make it wider lens there. I went ahead and put that on the wall and did that better, but this will be my little hot chocolate acai making place. So I like it. It's okay. I think I'll probably use this for extra hot chocolate. Right now I just have them in here. Aren't those pretty? I saw those and I'm like, wow, that's like a little pink. Look pretty. So I have them in there for now, and then if I get more, I have a few in here too. When I get more, I'll just put them in that jar. So, yeah. I'm doing a lot of projects today. Okay, y'all, I have practically turned my house upside down. Update. So, we put that cabinet together, and the base, which we have right here where we watch movies, it rattles it too much. So the only thing we could figure was to take the back off of it. Well, my husband had already put it together, so we didn't want to do that with the first one he built. So what I did was we moved it over here to this side. And it didn't fit here either because it cut into this doorway, like right here. Like coming out of this doorway, it would have been like right here and further this way. So this way we have more, and my husband has actually kicked that there. So I know that he'll hit that. I just know it. So it was better to just put this one back. He's used to this one. So he just put it back. It leaves a bigger space here. So I moved my table that I had in the front foyer here. This is a little bit higher than the one I had in here. The one I had in here, and I just put this bench in front, which I don't know, because look at all this shelf space that I could be using if I just didn't put this in front of here. Now I could put this over here in the mudroom. See, I put it here. But again, I mean, there's enough room, but it just makes it a potential hit. You could hit it, my husband, because he comes around. He's used to his perimeters. So I don't know if I should just try to put the bench over here. I like this here, but I don't want him to hurt himself or hit himself trying to come through here. But there's plenty of room. There's plenty of room. So taking this from the foyer, because that piece of furniture is Kirkland's. It's a more expensive piece of furniture, which is why I wanted to keep it in here. That one that I have in the coffee room that I just showed you, or the hot chocolate room, whatever, I don't know what I want to call it anymore. That one's from Ross. That was like 70 bucks. So I'd rather keep the one that I paid more money for there. So this is the shelf that was there. That's definitely not gonna go back there. We're gonna put the other cabinet here, just without the back, because the backing is what's rattling with the base. Okay, so let me move this a little bit. So I've cleared off all this stuff. That piece of furniture is really pretty. I think I'm gonna like it better. Still have stuff everywhere here. I left this reindeer out. So here's that piece of furniture. I just went ahead and put it here. I like it. It's beautiful, y'all. This piece of furniture is beautiful. And I just put the new magnolia lanterns up there. It's taller, but we have good clearance and everything. So this is the new piece of furniture that we bought, and it has these little doors, and it has shelves. It has 4 shelves, but I just did this one, and I don't know what I'm going to use it for. The other shelf is here, but it's just flush to the bottom. So it opens like that. It has a soft close, see? And then it has a drawer down here. And again, it's a soft close. But we put this piece of furniture here, and we did like it here, as opposed to that one that I have over there. I don't know. I definitely do like it better. Now, I didn't want to put a whole lot of stuff on it, just because I think it's beautiful, and I don't want to put anything. I might put other pictures there, but I didn't want to put what I had up there before, which I'll put in a picture here of what I had up there before. I just want it to be more simple, I guess. I don't know. It's the entryway. We hardly ever use this door. Like, we don't ever come in and out of this door. So I'll have more space here, and I was able to put that kind of glass container up there. It's tall enough where I won't cover my picture, and I can put something flat next to it and just put all the rest of the stuff back on this shelf. And then I guess I'll just put this stuff back here that I'm not too crazy about that. I don't care if you can't see it there. So I tend to like this picture here, the leopard on it. Let me move these pictures around. I do like this one, and I don't know that I would like it up here in front because it kind of has like the same pattern and stuff going on. But see, I would want it to be, I don't know, maybe it would be okay. I was thinking I wanted something more like that as opposed to like this, but that might be okay. I hate when these come loose and you can't really, so I don't know, maybe I like that. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just still kind of playing around with decor and stuff, and that's part of the reason why I don't like to film, because I have so many things going through my head that I don't want to film and just be standing there for the longest time. So yeah, that's a piece of furniture there. And I don't know if the camera is doing it justice or not, but it is beautiful, beautiful. Look at all that dust, y'all. Just dust mites everywhere. Ugh, so gross. Okay, so that's the update, and I'm just gonna keep working on it and figure it out. Okay, y'all, I am beat, but this is what this looks like. We put the other one together. My husband did. And I just put the decor that I had left on top of there. But I did put this one back kind of the way I maybe want it. Lots of pictures. I'm just not sure. I'm gonna turn on the light. How I want to do this side here. So I'm just gonna have to figure all that out. But so that's this, we were gonna put these two side by side, but that didn't work out. So we just kept them like this. And then move that over here. Which I hate that you can't see what's behind it, but I don't want to move the bench. I like the bench there. Oh yeah, I still have to move this over there too. I'll show y'all tomorrow kind of what I end up doing. But in here, I just did leave this table in here, and hopefully my husband won't bump into it. So I just put a couple of pictures. I'm hoping I can get some baskets to put underneath, just for like outerwear and stuff like that. I would like to put his hats in a basket, but I don't know if he's gonna be okay with that right now. I added that there. I just put those on with that commando strips. So I like that because it takes it off the countertop and leaves you enough room. Oh, let me show you guys what I did with my husband's coffee. So I put his coffee in this little thing. And that's what I'm gonna do with mine too whenever I get more hot chocolate. Okay, so this is what I've decided for now, to leave all the decor the way it is. I've already moved things around multiple times and I'm just done with it. So here's the foyer with the new furniture piece. And I just put this decor in here. I didn't know what to do with this and it fit in here perfectly. I don't know if that looks okay or not, but that's the decor that I put up here, which I really like. I put my home sign here. So this was the only side that fit best in here. But we had to leave the back off because this base trembles really bad. And it was making that back part it wasn't sounding good. The decor seems a little busy to me, but I like it for some reason. I like it. I think it looks good. It's busy, but not overwhelming. I kind of moved things around on the entertainment center here on the bottom, but not too much, just a little bit. I had already shown you guys this part. Oh my goodness. We have a little straggler there. I'll just put her there for now. And so, yeah, it got hard with the decor. Fun fact about me, I used to not like to have pictures in my home. I always just had a bunch of decor. So incorporating pictures into my home life started just recently. I didn't used to do it before. Mainly it's pictures of me and my husband, and then I have some pictures of my grandsons and my son and daughter-in-law. And here and there, pictures of my family and my husband's family. But for the most part, I don't do pictures, but I have tried to more lately. So this is what this is looking like. Now, I did have to move this piece over here, this one, because I didn't know where to put it. But I think it looks okay. It works. I think it's fine. I took the little plaque that was here and put it in the coffee room and the carpet. So here's the carpet. And I just added some stuff here, pictures, and then that little, and these will be gone. These won't stay here. So I just feel like this can be like a place where my husband can lay his phone or, you know, whatever he needs to put on here. But this used to be his coffee room, and I've just kind of, I told him last night, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm slowly pushing you out, and I'm not trying to. He enjoys his man cave. Trust me, he enjoys his man cave because I stay out of there. But I kind of wanted this area because I make my acai bowl here and my hot chocolate in here. So this is just kind of how this ended up. I do like that I hung some of the decor. So I think I'm going to really like this area here. Okay, so I found these clear bins at Target, and I put all of my acai stuff in here. I bought 3, but the third one won't fit here because it's too small. Even if I turn them the other way, it wouldn't work, which this works fine for me. I'm okay with this. I like that it's more organized than the way it was. So what I went ahead and did with the other one was I talked my husband into putting his hats down here in that one. So at least it's clear, he can see them. So that works out for him and for me because that cleared off up here. And you know what? I need to put this somewhere else too because I don't want anything on here when the door is closed. So, you know, maybe I could get another basket and just put it down there. I don't know yet. Or I might just put that somewhere else. And then I got more hot chocolate. So that's how I ended up doing my little jar. And I really like it. So yeah, everything has turned out really good. I don't know if this was on last video, but that's the last update. I'm done here. We got Mocha a new little place for her water and food. Are you playing, my baby? I need to cut her nails. Look at her nails. That's when I know her nails are really long, is when she's been sharpening them for a while, and since we've been gone, we've not cut her nails. But anyway, y'all, that is going to be the end of my video. And as you saw, I reorganized my whole kitchen. And it stayed the same. I didn't move anything or change anything in here. I do like it better. So, yeah, I'm really happy with the way things turned out. I wish we'd have been able to do both cabinets on both sides. But just with that door being so close to coming in and out of there, it just was not going to be possible. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.